Wow, hydrophonics here in Cavite. The owner of this place started his hydrophonics journey way back in 1998. So I think he's one of the first people here in the Philippines who started hydrophonics way back then. This one is a lot better than the first video because the produce here are already developed. I mean, it has aged for weeks, and the produce is a lot bigger. And these are three varieties of lettuce. This one is one variety. This one is another variety. That one in the end, this one, it's also another variety. So I think we just have to appreciate the beauty of these organic vegetables. It's organic, it's safe, chemical free, pesticide free. You can eat a nutritious food, nutritious vegetables. You just have to love it, you just have to appreciate it. Oh, these are another set of variety of lettuce. There are a lot of varieties and I am not even familiar with them. But one thing is clear. This is a pesticide free. There are also other plants here that is not a lettuce variety, just different kinds of plants, but the process of hydroponics is still used. These are plants that you will not eat, but the hydroponic system is applied. In just span of just 16 to 20 days or before 30 days, they're already this big. They're ready to eat. You just have to wash them. I hope this video has inspired you to do hydroponics or to do planting.
What are you waiting for? Do it!